How to remove payment method on OfferUp app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. OfferUp is an online mobile first C2C marketplace with emphasis on in-person transactions. You can instantly connect with local buyers and sellers on the OfferUp. Now, if you want to remove the payment method on the app itself, you first have to get the app on your device. For that, you can head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install the application. Then you want to tap open the application and make sure you have logged into your account. Once you have logged into your account, you want to tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, tap on the option of payment and deposit methods. Then under payment methods, you're going to find all of your saved payment methods. If you want to remove or delete any one of them, you simply want to locate the card that you wish to delete. Then you want to tap on the option of manage. There you will find the option of delete. Tap on it. You will receive a pop-up asking you for the confirmation. Tap on the delete option. Once you do that, your payment method is going to be successfully removed. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.